In our part of the world, in this new home, in this new part of the ASHRAE family, we have, as of July the 1st, that's when the new region in Europe was established, we have 8 chapters, as you see. The first one being the Hellenic chapter. And after our birth, we're approaching our 20-year anniversary here in Athens. Congratulations. It has grown strong with, as you see, the 8 chapters, 3 sections in Greece. There is one up in northern Hellas, and then numerous student branches, and also a couple of ASHRAE affiliated groups with national societies in the UK and Italy. Now, why and what are we doing at this regional level is to support and serve the members, you. And by the way, if you're not a member yet, please consider joining ASHRAE and finding great opportunities there to get engaged. So this gives the flexibility now and the means for this part of the world, Europe, to really engage, bridge with the society, with ASHRAE in a most efficient, productive way. Then to also support the members and the chapters in Europe, and of course the sections and the students. And from the practical point of view, because this is a volunteer society, everything really from the technical point of view and the work is being done by us, the volunteers. And now who runs the society? Again, the volunteers. So every region has a representative on the ASHRAE Board of Directors. This is, in terms of its business operation, the top level group. And as of last year, we have a voice from Europe. I have the honor and the pleasure of sitting on the ASHRAE Board of Directors, representing our European members. And of course, we also have European members on other ASHRAE standing committees. So that, you see, is from a practical point of view of how we now as Europeans engage on the ASHRAE level. Also, in terms of the nominations, of the way that we can support the strategic partnerships that the society has been over several years, working closely with European national organizations. And altogether, this is the key picture. It's a little fuzzy here, but it should be what we're trying to do is work together. That's the whole idea, that's the whole concept, and that's the success story of ASHRAE being a global society with members throughout the world to be able to be more efficient, more effective in meeting its objectives. Now, one of the great things that as a new region we're doing is getting together as we're doing today here at a chapter level, on a national level, on the regional level. And we started, as of last year, because now we are a region, to have our regional conference. We had our first one, 2017, in Belgrade. Our second one was a couple of months ago in the Loughborough, UK, where what's happening there? A lot of great, interesting, with technical information, technical program. Of course, it has a lot of training workshops. It has technical tours, and of course, a very significant, major element of this conferences is the business meeting with the representatives, the voices of all the chapters representing their members, pushing forward what needs to be addressed or is of concern for the society to take care and foster. So there are other activities with student programs, with exhibitions similar to one you see outside, and one of the key elements, the fellowship among the members coming from different parts of Europe that gives you a great opportunity to meet. What's coming up? Mark your calendars. We are, the Hellenic chapter, going to be hosting, celebrating its 20th year anniversary next year, the regional conference in Mykonos. When? September 25, 28. Who's going to be coming? Well, hopefully you. But they're going to be all the chapters from Europe. So we're going to have the 8 chapters from Europe and a unique opportunity because we're going to have a joint regional conference with one region from the US, Region 4. So we're going to have 7 chapters from the southeast of US coming and joining us to have this unique opportunity of 15 chapters and many members coming at one point on the great island of Mykonos. That should be fun. Putting together a great program. Our general chair is Dimitris Haralabopoulos. He's been doing a fantastic job. He has so much experience in all this. And you know, it's going to be a great event. So it's going to be a very attractive package for you to have an opportunity to be on this beautiful island. So hopefully you can join us for this event. Now, there are faces, people, volunteer behind this effort on the regional level, doing and trying to support us, yours truly. But then we also have a couple of people, more than a couple, Dimitris, that's having multiple regional obligations or now opportunities to do some great work. We have our past Hellenic chapter president, Ioanna Deligiosi, who's on nominating, and actually, you know where she is right now as we speak? Why don't you see her around here? She's in Atlanta at the society because she's part of this nominating process that goes through all the representatives from the regions. So she's there right now trying to really do a very important part of what this process is all about, the future leadership of the Society of ASHRAE. So that's what's going on as we speak right now in Atlanta. We also have another past president of the Hellenic chapter, Alkis Triantafylopoulos, and we have also our electronic communication webmaster, also acting and supporting our regional efforts, Nikos Giannitsanos. So you see, from the Hellenic chapter, we have an active participation. And we also have the honor of having Address, where are you, Address? Right here. Address Sepulveda from Spain, who's here with us. He's visiting on both capacities as a regional leader and also as a technical external commissioner that we're going to be enjoying a great presentation afterwards. So these are the people that we can reach, and we also have a European office as of this year, the beginning of this year, where we have a contact person working. Now, this is a paid position. Nothing else from what I've told you before ever gets even $1. Even our presidents are volunteers. We have a presidential member here. You met him, Bill Bumflet. He devoted his last year for his presidency about what, 350 days out of the 365 pretty much? Full time, working for us. What did he get? Nothing, because he's a volunteer. So these are the people, part of the staff in Atlanta, but here is our neighborhood. He is in backyard, based in Brussels. So he's really doing some great work, and you can all reach out to him in addition to your Hellenic chapter leaders, to your regional leaders, the staff that is working and trying to support our efforts. And, well, there are great things you can do. You can engage, you can participate, you can share knowledge, you can network, you can have great fellowship. The first step, you need to join ASHRAE. Open the door. And from there on, I think great things will be happening, and you can engage as much as you wish at your chapter level, at your region, and at the society level. So thank you very much. I hope that didn't run over time, but you kept smiling, so I thought I will continue. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the conference. It's going to be a great event. Congratulations.